Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make a very simple recipe, which is crumbed lamb chops. I have here half a dozen of lamb chops, which I washed and cleaned and taken out the extra fat out. To season my lamb chops, I'm going to use a generous grind of black pepper, a generous grind of salt, a sprinkle of paprika, and a sprinkle of mixed herbs. And thereafter, I'm going to crumb my lamb chops. I have breadcrumbs and eggs, and to fry, I've got oil. Firstly, we're going to start off by tenderizing our lamb chop by making it thinner. Firstly, I'm going to put my cling wrap to my countertop. It will make it easier to clean thereafter. Then I'm going to place my chops. I'm going to place another piece of cling wrap over the chops. Then with my pistol, I'm going to give my chops a good bash. Now I'm done bashing my chops, and as you can see, it really got a good bash. You can see the thinness. So this is my chops, which is ready to be seasoned. A generous grind of black pepper, a generous grind of salt, a sprinkle of paprika to it, and a sprinkle of mixed herbs. So I'm going to use my hands to give it a good mix. So all the lamb chops get coated very well. So this is all mixed up. I will wash my hands quickly. Now for the braiding of the chops, I'm going to add my eggs to it, to a separate plate. I'm going to add in a little salt to my egg, and thereafter I beat my egg up. Taking one of my chops, I'm going to dip it, coat it very well with the egg. Then into my breadcrumbs. So this is how it is. Set it aside till I'm ready to fry. I'll do the same with my rest of the lamb chops. Here's my crumbs lamb chops, which is ready to fry. I've got half a centimeter of oil to my pan, and I've got my stove on very low heat so you can fry the meat thoroughly. And we are going to do 3 at a time. It has been 3 minutes, so I'm going to give it a turn. "20 minutes has passed and I've been turning my chops continuous, and now they turned out to be nice and golden brown. These are my first batch that I've taken out, and now I'm going to do the rest of it. Now my second batch is done and I'm ready to take it off. I'm going to switch my stove off and I'm ready to serve. Here you go, your lovely lamb chops, crumbed and fried out. This is also served with the mayo and mustard dip that we made. These chops can be made for a starter or even taken out to the park for a picnic, or it can also be served onto a platter for a function. I will just break one to show you all how it looks on the inside. It's cooked up properly, nice and soft. Thank you all for watching and enjoy.